Hi guys, welcome you to my YouTube channel Seeker. Today we are going to talk about why is the sky blue. Okay, here is why. It's a common misconception that the sky is blue because it reflects the blue of seas and oceans. So did you really think the sky is blue? I know you didn't, because you must have seen it's not blue in all the times. It's the Earth's atmosphere and a process known as scattering that causes our skies to be blue. Now let's get to know how it happens. As white light passes through our atmosphere, tiny air molecules cause it to scatter. The scattering caused by these tiny air molecules, which is actually known as Rayleigh scattering, increases as the wavelength of light decreases. As you know, tell me which color has the shortest wavelength and which one is the longest. Okay, here is the answer. Violet and blue light have the shortest wavelengths and red light has the longest. Therefore, blue light is scattered more than red light and the sky appears blue during the day. When the sun is low in the sky during the sunrise and sunset, the light has to travel further through Earth's atmosphere. We don't see the blue light because it gets scattered away, but the red light is not scattered very much, so the sky appears red. Okay guys, here you can see how is the sky during the day. At noon, when the sun is overhead, it appears white. This is because the light travels a shorter distance through the atmosphere to get to us. It's scattered very little, even the blue light. During the day, sky looks blue because it's the blue light that is scattered most. It's redirected into many different directions all over the skies, whereas the other wavelengths are not scattered as much. In reality, violet light has a shorter wavelength compared to blue light, and therefore it's scattered more. So you must be thinking, why isn't the sky violet? It's because our eyes are actually more sensitive to detecting blue light and more of the sunlight coming into Earth's atmosphere is blue rather than violet. Okay, now let's see why does the sky look red during sunrise and sunset. During sunrise or sunset, the sky appears to change color. When the sun is low in the sky, the light has to travel a longer distance through the Earth's atmosphere, so we don't see the blue light because it gets scattered away. Instead, we see the red and orange light that travels towards us, since this light has not been scattered very much. Hence the sun and skies look redder at dawn and dusk. So now let me ask you, are you curious about the skies on other planets? Okay, then here we go, get to know more about that too. Actually, other planets don't have an atmosphere exactly like ours, and so their skies would look different. Mars' atmosphere is much thinner than Earth's, less than 1%. The low density of air molecules means that the Rayleigh scattering that causes our skies to be blue on Earth has a very small effect on Mars. I think you might expect it to have a very faint blue colored sky, but due to the haze of dust that remains suspended in the air, the daytime sky on Mars appears more yellow. Why is that? This is because the larger dust particles absorb short wavelength blue light and scatter the remaining colors to give a butterscotch hue over the Martian sky. However, during sunrise and sunset on Mars, the sunlight travels a longer distance through its atmosphere and it's alike to the thickness of atmosphere on Earth. As such, the blue light gets scattered in all directions and the longer wavelengths of light don't get scattered much at all, providing a blue glow to the sky around the sun in hours around the dawn and dusk. So, what do you think of the sky from the moon? The sky from the moon wouldn't even appear to have a color. The moon's atmosphere is so thin that it virtually doesn't have one. When the air is too thin for gas molecules don't collide with each other, we call it an exosphere instead. Because of the lack of an atmosphere, sunlight is not scattered, and no matter it's daytime or nighttime on the moon, the sky appears just black. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go click the bell icon down there and don't forget to say something in comment section. Have a good day.